Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. Flutter online glossary app, admin app inside today we need to see this here, the add product UI designs need to develop here. First of all, now need to create here the new files inside the product apps. Now need to go and to create here the new files and to give this here the name product add screen dot dots like this. We need to write down here for the product ads. Now we need to write down here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name product ads view screen. And now need to set here the material dependency we need to import here. And now first of all need to making here the add buttons need to develop here. Now need to remove here this filter buttons, no needs. Now need to clear this here. Now need to go inside the product cells and now need to copy here the add buttons like here. And now need to paste here. First of all now need to set here the ink wells and to set here the padding. And now need to set here only right and to set here the 15s. Then after you need to configure this here the centers. You need to set here and to save this here also save. Now need to run this projects and to check this here the UI. And previous inside you need to here the make inside the API issue, not puts inside this list inside the image. That's why not showing here the image. Now we need to waiting for the here the load this here the image and run these apps inside the simulators. Now app is running done and now need to go here and now need to click on ads and to show this here the UI. First of all now need to configure this here GetX dot two and now need to call here the page product add screen semicolons and to set here the context like this. Need to write down here and to click this here and look like this here the blank screen we need to show here. Now we need to first of all to need to copy this here the scaffolds inside the category UI. We need to put this here add screens. Now need to copy here the app bars. We need to needs here copy and now need to go product ads and to set here the scaffold to paste this here this scaffold here like it. And also need to make here the conditions if finals bool is edit semicolons and now need to set here the value this dot is added by default. Need to set here the false like these configurations are needs and also need to import this here the color extensions need to import here. Now need to change this here the name for the edit. We need to write down here product edit and also need to add product. Need to write down here add new product like this sets here the titles and also need to here back buttons already need to given this years. Now need to write down here the body and also need to declare this here the view controllers. So need to find here the view models. Now need to write down here the where pvm is equal to write down here the get dot put and to call this here the extension methods. Need to write down here the product view models. Need to put this years and this context like this and now need to save here. Now we need to create here the body and we need to set here obx value and now need to create here the scroll view single childs and now need to set here the childs and to set here the columns children's cells. Now we need to set here the padding Need to set here the symmetric horizontals need to give this here the 20 and verticals also need to set here the 20. Like these configurations are the needs here. First of all, now need to set here the bottom buttons, set here the size box, give this here the height as a set here 20, and now need to create here the buttons, round button, and now need to set here titles. If widgets is added, then to write down here the update buttons. Otherwise, you need to write down here the add button, and also need to write down here the on brace event like the sets here's and set here the const value. Now need to reloads again because we need to set here the this edits. That's why I need to get here. Now need to set here the get x and now need to write down here the line text fields. Need to set here the titles. We need to give this here the titles as a product name, and now need to set here the placeholders. Need to write down here the enter name. Now need to set here the tvm dots. Need to write down here the txt name dots value set here. Now need to copy here and to set here space 15s like this to write down and to save this here. Look like this here the showing here and to fix this here the errors, and now need to copy again and now need to set for descriptions details product enter detail, and now need to set here txt details like this. You need to set here, and also now need to create here the drop downs for the select category for product category drop down, and now need to set here the titles set as a category. Now need to set here select category, and now need to give this here the now set here blank value, and on change events need to write down here as a new value here semicolons comma copy here and paste this here. Now need to select here the brand and to write down here select brand. Another's need to create and to write down here types products. So, like these configurations and to set here the configures. Now need to copy here and to set here for space. Now we need to write down here the units names. We need to set here. Now need to use here the text fields. Now need to copy here, and now we need to paste here. Now need to given this here the unit name and to write down here the unit name and to set here txt unit types. Now same way now need to put this here the value unit value set here txt unit value like this configures. Same as now need to copy and to set here the price to set here price and to write down here and to write down price. Now also need to copy and to paste years after the nutrition's weights given this years to write down years. Nutrition's weight and now copy and to paste this years. Now we need to set here the txt nutrition weight. Like this text fields we need to set here. Then after we need to write down years. Titles we need to create. Now need to go inside any text fields and now need to copy this title. Now need to list out here the nutrition price, nutrition list, and to set here the nutrition list titles. Now need to write down here the 20 700s and now set here the primary text. Same as now need to give this here the space. Now we need to create here the another space, set here the 8, and now need to create here the add row, need to develop here to write down here the row and to create inside the children's. First of all, now need to expand, scroll up, and need to write down here the expand jets. Inside, we need to set here the line text fields and to set here the titles as a nutrition name and to write the name and set here pvm dots. We need to write down here the txt nutrition name dot pay like this returning here for extension extent. Now another we need to write down here the text fields. Before we need to set here the units value. Need to set here the keyboard types is good. Set here text input number copy here and to paste this here inside price and also weight. Same as now need to copy this here the that here const sized box. Give this here the width as need to set here the 8. Now need to set here the value is enter value titles. And now need to set here the sized box and give this here the width 120 and now need to another copy and to paste this here. Now need to add buttons, need to develop here. Now need to find out here the cells of your product ads. Now need to copy here this add buttons and need to paste this here and look like this show and to also need to create here the row set like this here the elements we need to showing here. Now we need to list we need to UI we need to develop here the this nutritions to add here the nutrition name as a pets and tens value and to click on ads and to showing this here the list of the added nutrition list. Now need to develop here the nutrition list UI need to develop here need to set here the after complete this row and to create here the list view builder with subheaders and now need to set here builders as the context indexed and to here the column like here and now need to create here children's. First of all now need to set here the property of the max size, axis size, we need to set here the minimum here, set here and set here. Now we need to set here sized boxed. Use this here the heights we need to set here. As 2 set it is good. Set here the item counts. Now need to set here the peaks. After we need to integrations here the configures view models, then to remove here the peaks value. Set const. Now set this. Now need to create here the row childs, and we need to set here nutrition tab. Now first of all to make here the delete buttons press event. Now need to set here the icon icons dots. We need to set here set here colors color red. Like this set seeds and to set here const. Now need to write down here the expand, and to inside we need to put this here the text. Copy here this nutrition list and to paste this here like this. Now need to set here the titles as a pet, and also need to set here 16s and 600. These titles need to set and to showing here. First of all need to make here mistake. Need to set here the physics never scrolls. Physics need to set, and so sync grep set. So this here like this showing here, and also need to put this here the dividers. Now need to find it here inside the text. Copy these containers and to paste here. Now need to set things like show. Now on the text showing here the value text like this show and to deleting series. Now we need to create here the UI for the listing here the product image. We need to add similar to like this. We need to develop here. First of all, now need to copy here these titles. We need to need here, and now need to paste here, and now need to set here product image list. Like these configurations are the needs, and to put this here the add buttons. Now need to cut here for this add buttons, and we need to paste here and to set here the main axis alignment set as a space between and to save and look like this here the show. Need to set here 15 is product image. Now need to develop here the grid. Grid view builders now need to set the silver. Grid delegates with the fixed cross axis counts need to set here, so need to give this here the count as a 2. Then after need to set this here the cross axis spacing need to set here 15, and main axis spacing need to set here 15. Aspect ratio need to set here 1, and now need to develop here the builders context indexed, and now need to return series content decorations need to set here the box decorations, create here the colors, color white, and now need to set here the border radius, need to set here border radius, circulars need to set here the tens, now need to set here the shadow shade color wells blur radius need to set semicolons. Now need to copy first of all here the physics and sync graph, also set here. Now need to set here the padding most edges insets horizon 2 and vertical 2. These configurations need to set here. Create here the childs, and to set this years clipper rect, set here the border radius same as the spot paste here. Now create here the childs, and now need to view this here the image files, and we need to set here first of all the padding most edges insert symmetric, need to give this maybe wall is good too. Now need to set here files, now need to set first of all item count is equal to pvm, set here the image list, and now need to set here the length, now need to pass directly pvm dot image array, and set this years indexed. Now set here the width doubles dots and I double dot max width. Now need to set box width cover, like the settings are the needs for the showing here the image. Now go inside the category, and to find out here the image adds logic, now need to copy here this value, and now need to put inside the this add buttons, and import this here the pop-up layouts and also image pickers, and now need to set pvm image list, and to write down here the pass this here these files, and import here .io, like the sets, and to showing here like this UI are the configurations for the ads. Now click on image ads, select here the gallery, and select this here image, and look like this here the show this data. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.